Hey there, if you're watching this, you probably already know that virtual reality is the future. But with so many VR headsets on the market, how do you know which one is worth your time and money? Well, today we're diving deep into the Meta Quest 4, the next generation of VR. Whether you're a seasoned VR user or a complete beginner, by the end of this video, you'll see why the Quest 4 is not just a headset. It's a game changer, so sit back and relax, because what you're about to discover will blow your mind. Trust me, once we're done, you'll be itching to get your hands on one of these. Ready? Let's jump in. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Before we talk about the Meta Quest 4, let's take a moment to understand why it matters. If you've ever tried a VR headset in the past, you might have had mixed feelings. The experiences were exciting but limited. Headsets were bulky, uncomfortable, and sometimes the immersion just wasn't all there. Well, the Meta Quest 4 takes all of that and flips it on its head. This is the headset that's going to make you forget that you're even wearing it. It's everything we've been waiting for in VR. A lighter, sleeker, and more comfortable design means you can wear it for hours without discomfort, while the performance and visuals are in a league of their own. Let's start with the design. The Meta Quest 4 has been crafted to feel natural and comfortable on your head, even during extended sessions. Unlike other VR headsets that might leave you with a sore neck or a feeling of claustrophobia, the Quest 4 is lightweight, balanced, and well ventilated. You're not going to feel like you're carrying a brick on your face. This headset is made for those who want to escape reality without it feeling like you're putting on a bulky, complicated device. It's lightweight, with a perfect fit for most head shapes, and the adjustable straps ensure it stays comfortably in place, even during the most intense gaming or workout sessions. Now, let's talk about the visuals, because this is where things get really exciting. The Meta Quest 4 comes with a higher resolution display than its predecessors, giving you a crystal-clear, immersive experience that will make you forget you're in your living room. We're talking 2064 by 2208 pixels per eye, and that's not even the best part. The refresh rate? A smooth 120 Hz. This means everything you see will be silky smooth and responsive, creating an experience that feels more lifelike than anything you've ever tried before. Whether you're playing your favorite game or just exploring the VR world, the Quest 4 has the kind of visuals that'll keep you hooked. From lifelike environments to hyper-realistic textures, this headset makes everything pop with detail, color, and clarity. But here's the kicker. The Quest 4 has improved optics. That means better contrast, deeper blacks, and brighter whites, so your VR experience feels more vibrant and immersive. Imagine exploring a dense jungle or flying through space with breathtaking visuals. No more blurry edges or washed-out colors. Alright, so we know it looks amazing, but what about the performance? The Meta Quest 4 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon XR3 Gen 2 chipset, and let me tell you, it's a powerhouse. That means you get faster load times, smoother frame rates, and an overall better, lag-free experience. Whether you're playing high-demand games or jumping into an immersive VR environment, this device handles everything with ease. The Quest 4 offers open-world games, immersive apps, and even virtual workouts without any hiccups. All that power means you can experience everything in real time, without dealing with lag or interruptions. And let's be honest, nobody likes a laggy VR experience. The Quest 4 ensures that's a thing of the past. One of the most exciting things about Meta Quest 4 is that it's completely standalone. No need for a PC or a console. That's right, this headset doesn't rely on any external hardware to work. All the power you need is right inside the headset. You can jump straight into VR, wherever you are, without needing cables, wires, or complicated setups. Whether you're at home, on a plane, or anywhere in between, you can experience high-quality VR with just the headset itself. It's freedom like you've never experienced before. No more worrying about cables getting in the way. Just put it on, and you're good to go. Now, VR is all about immersion, right? Well, the Meta Quest 4 doesn't just give you amazing visuals. It also delivers spatial audio that makes the experience even more lifelike. The built-in speakers offer 3D sound that moves with your head, making it feel like the audio is coming from the actual environment around you. Imagine being on a VR roller coaster, and as you look around, you hear the wind whistling past your ears, or being in a virtual battlefield, and hearing footsteps sneaking up behind you. The sound design in the Quest 4 takes immersion to the next level. You're not just looking at the world, you're hearing it, feeling it, and experiencing it in ways that make it feel real. When it comes to control, the Meta Quest 4 doesn't disappoint. The Touch Pro controllers are a massive upgrade, offering precise tracking and haptic feedback that makes every action feel responsive and natural. The new controllers feature finger tracking and better ergonomics, making them feel almost like an extension of your hand. The improved motion tracking means that when you reach out, grab something, or interact with the world, it feels like you're truly there. From tossing objects to drawing in mid-air, the level of interactivity is unparalleled. This isn't just about playing games. It's about living in the moment and being part of a whole new reality. Now, let's talk about the games and apps you can experience with the Meta Quest 4. Whether you're into action-packed shooters, adventure games, fitness apps, or educational content, the Quest 4 has something for everyone. Titles like Beat Saber, Superhot VR, and Vader Immortal will keep you coming back for more, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. With a growing library of both paid and free content, there's no shortage of experiences to dive into. The Meta Quest Store offers a range of games, fitness apps, meditation experiences, and even virtual social spaces where you can connect with people from around the world. Speaking of connecting with people, VR isn't just about solo adventures. The Meta Quest 4 allows you to join social spaces, hang out with friends in virtual worlds, and even attend live VR events. Imagine attending a concert or a conference in VR, no travel needed, just the headset, and you're there. Whether it's multiplayer gaming or simply socializing in virtual environments, the Quest 4 makes it possible. Okay, let's talk about value. You might be wondering, how does the Meta Quest 4 stack up when it comes to price? Well, with all the incredible features packed into this device, it's actually surprisingly affordable for the level of performance and immersion it offers. If you've been hesitating to make the jump to VR, now's the perfect time. The Meta Quest 4 is the perfect VR headset for anyone who's looking to immerse themselves in a world of limitless possibilities. Whether you're gaming, exploring, learning, or just having fun with friends, the Quest 4 brings everything together in one seamless, wireless, and immersive package. Complicated device. It's lightweight, with a perfect fit for most head shapes, and the adjustable straps ensure it stays comfortably in place, even during the most intense gaming or workout sessions. Now, let's talk about the visuals, because this is where things get really exciting. The Meta Quest 4 comes with a higher resolution display than its predecessors, giving you a crystal-clear, immersive experience that will make you forget you're in your living room. We're talking 2064 by 2208 pixels per eye, and that's not even the best part. The refresh rate? A smooth 120 Hz. This means everything you see will be silky smooth and responsive, creating an experience that feels more lifelike than anything you've ever tried before. Whether you're playing your favorite game or just exploring the VR world, the Quest 4 has the kind of visuals that'll keep you hooked. From lifelike environments to hyper-realistic textures, this headset makes everything pop with detail, color, and clarity. But here's the kicker. The Quest 4 has improved optics. That means better contrast, deeper blacks, and brighter whites, so your VR experience feels more vibrant and immersive. Imagine exploring a dense jungle or flying through space with breathtaking visuals.